If you are new to this town, maybe you came into this show for the purpose of supporting Papi. You see this place called Transcope. If you don't serve a living God, don't go inside. Oh. From here, go back to your car. Go back to your car. There's a place inside that place they call Piano Lounge. Everybody there, they wait for honorable. And you will only see them wear native. They will come hold one brown envelope. Inside that brown envelope, now C of O. They only sell land. Not buy you. Because once you ask them, where is it located? They'll say, it's a stone throw from airport. Ask them, who threw the stone? Now, throw stone, one guy take by Yaya Bello house. Now, he get case with government. Ask them, who threw the stone? And my biggest problem for, okay, by the way, Golden Reef, yeah, this one, they sell better house. I know them, Golden Reef, they sell better house. Akbalanze. I don't call you to spray me money. I don't grow past all this spray. Now they spray. Naira will not get like say somebody pushing Naira from upstairs. If you want give money, give me $1. Carry money, reach us. No, if you even solve family problem. So what I talk is say my biggest problem with this way they sell land, they always get one lawyer where he may aim now to make sure the customers don't know where they buy. Bro, that profession, if they not remove them for this world, there will never be peace. They are our problems. Which one be say person buy land? Transaction happened between Agbalanze and Sheivodi. Baba write am now. Mr. Sheivodi bought a piece of land from Agbalanze. Make two of them sign, make they get out of our office. Which one be say my client? Who goes by the name? Mr. Sheyi Akekumi Vodi, so duly purchased a piece of landed edifice from a property developing mogul. Herein, thereafter, henceforth, force majeure, thought that I will fire you. That's the way you write, if you read them. Now the illiterate, so then Nigeria will just go sign. You don't know, say you don't go buy Kenya. Now make another follow lawyers argue. And please, if you dey here, you know say you dey go gym, you not get money, stop them. Your spinal cord now you won't spoil so. Stop them. If you not get money, get weight so that when you come outside, people will notice you. Which one be say you not get money every day, you go just run for Gwagwalada road, so you won't lose weight. You won't disappear. And I always tell women, please, whatever you are doing, take it easy on men. You can see the country now. Men, they try you. Now, not just one grill. And I tell my wife, anytime my wife tell me, I say, baby, you are cheating on me, I say yes. If you follow my argument, you will lose the argument, so no need. Just agree so that for peace to reign. The way Nigeria did now, any man will know the shit, go share whether they carry another man. It's safer for man to carry a woman. Okay? Not be hard, even for Bible. Do you know the most popular man for Bible not even marry one woman? Abraham. In all Ramadan wrong. Not be here with David killing soldier carrying wife. Children where David bought Solomon, you not say na full village the guy carry. Go read the book where Jesus Christ of Nazareth is the husband to all widows. Widow now one person. So any man when see they here, they fear say maybe they won't cash out. Baba, or now you know just sabi. Get 2 phone, one day cycle, one day house. Not let anybody stress you. You know what? You know what funny thing? All these women. My guy call you now talk about Regina Daniel. Thank God say they work with your husband. Since when Regina Daniel marry your guy, no be Igwe wife that they use mama act for him. They don't ever use the woman act with the way that if you land again. The influence of the in-law, they affect director with the direct film. That's That's what money can do. Because you use that woman at widow, now the work of you buy the film, say me not show. Say for my in-law to be at widow, bring the cassette. How much African magic won't give for now? Now, women, please take it easy on your husband. Madam, this one will favor you. Take it easy on your husbands. Not be say anytime when man come back, you come to shout, say, useless man, good for nothing man. Not because your husband like that too. Anytime you because your husband, lock window. Don't let people hear him. Because for every time you call useless man, good for nothing man, you see all these girls waiting for down. Your light not the show. The day like all these outside boys where they carry truck, they shout, "Anyo kwandem, anyo kwandem, anyo kwandem." They like useless man, useless man, useless man. If they hold your madam, if they hold this your useless husband, when they will refurbish him, you like you go enter prayer point, may he come back. He not go come. These guys that they do anything, no, mama pray. Oh. He prefer to have useless husband. But is this small girl? They find us whenever. Oh no. They like man where we say they tell us, I'll post your picture online. Husband say, no, don't do it. Let me give you all my ATM code. We will not get shame. If you post us, we post you. We not get shame. And please, when you want to cook indomie for your husband, how do you do it? Indomie is no longer a fast food man. It's a household food. You want to cook indomie, you go cook and be like white handkerchief. Don't do that. If you want to cook indomie, mama, I tell you how to get to the cook indomie. Like these runs, guys, they will go because of indomie. They will go market green beans, onions, pepper, carrots. They never buy finish. They'll come go buy malam, so you put them for the left hand side. You, if your husband they chop, you go they sing song. What God cannot do, what God cannot. No, if your husband they chop, near them. These guys, when man they chop, they rob here. You know here. Now here sense day. Mama, they tell you how they do it now. They do as if you know the line. Take pen and paper. They rob here. These guys, they try you, mama. Oh. Anytime pressure they country, now then they help us take them. Oh. We know what they pay for. If they're not there, we will go come house, set fire for the house we build. As you see there, so there'll be fire extinguishers. How come they like give you? Because, okay, man, not cast on now. And so all these boys, they get baby, or not say they get work. 1 naira not in their hand. Any girl we see they use baby respect, boy, you never sabi anything. All this one. If you check the Instagram page, now he writes senator. And they don't know National Assembly. Fraud.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.